Hey guys, scifiwb here with VGM Video Games Monthly unboxing. Yay! For those who don't know, Video Games Monthly is a monthly subscription. Oh, you wanna hold it? It is a monthly subscription box that you can get video games. You can pick between 3, 4.
3, 4, 5, and 10.
That's right. That's right. See, and it says, play the past into the future. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it to Sebastian, and he's going to pick out the cards. I'm going to close my eyes because I love not being surprised.
I'm gonna do the cards last.
No, I want the cards first this time, please. Okay. We have 2 cards. Oh, let me look at them first. What? Oh, yeah. Show that person this one first. And that's just to remind you to update your little site. Update your list. Oh, wow. We got a power-up. Look at that. Congratulations. Oh, I was trying to read that. Let me get my glasses so I can read it. We got a power-up. And it says, we received many free games. Yeah. So that is awesome. All right. First game. Oh, wait. This is... Oh, wait. Oh, this is the... Okay. That is actually kind of cool. It's the little trinket. I have... Well, it's got a little micro...
handkerchief.
Well, not a handkerchief, but micro cloth. I don't know what they call it. But, yeah. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of cool. Oh, yeah. All right, first game. That's really cool. I like I said, if you know what that is, please let me know in the comments section below. All right, first game. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's a Famicom game. Oh, that's cool. Again, I can't speak Japanese, but yeah. Oh.
And it's an orange case.
See, that's what it is. That looks kind of cool. We'll try it out. All right. Zipporah wants to hand Daddy. Oh, she got that. All right, hand me a game. She just wanted the bubble wrap. She's fine. All right. Oh, this is a. Oh, wait. I want to say a PSP game or no. Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Midnight Club LA Remix. Awesome. I have played Midnight Club 3. Is it complete? Yes, it is. Sorry. That is awesome. Thank you. Oh. All right.
Really cool.
All right. Well, let me. Oh, this is an Atari 2600 game, and it is. Oh, this is awesome! Star Voyager. Really cool game. Would you like to show him?
Star Voyager?
Show him it. Yeah. It's actually not a bad game. Yeah. Oh, you. Yeah. Uh-oh. There's the manual. All right, let's put that one back.
Alright. Close your eyes.
Just give me a second.
Looks almost see.
Um,
I just said
oh,
it.
it's another Famicom game, and it is another one with little robots.
That
And it looks like with motorcycles.
Galaxian.
I don't know about Galaxian. All right, you show them. Yeah, look, see little bug robots on motorcycles.
Yeah, she's.
So she's gonna look at that.
One.
Is that it, or is it?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is a Game Boy Advance game. Ooh, Shark Tales and Shrek 2. Okay. Cool. I like those. I'll have to check it out. Alright, is that it? One more. Alright. Another Game Boy Advance game. Alright. Monopoly! That is awesome!
Yep. That was what.
Alright, so. Yep. So, no more. So to recap, we got this.
Handkerchief.
Well, no, this. Okay. We got this. We got Game Boy Monopoly for the Game Boy Advance. We got Shark Tale. Oh, make sure they can see it. Shark Tales and Shrek 2. For the Atari. Okay. We've got Star Voyager. For the PSP, we have Midnight Club LA Remix, which I'm excited to play. And for the Famicom, we got Something 3.
What it is, but
And something else. These 2 games. That was awesome. So all in all, we got 6 games. And I want to thank Video Games Monthly for that. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. Oh yeah, you got a little thing. Say end this. Saying this is scifiwb. Saying take care and play on.
play on.